The video is for reference only. Product overview. Bottom panel. Frame. Assemble the frame and the bottom panel together with 2 AA screws. Assemble the other frames with the same method. Back panel. Assemble the back panel and the bottom panel together with 3 AA screws. Assemble the back panel and 2 frames together with 2 AA screws. Beam. Assemble the beams and 2 frames together with 4 AA screws. Doors. Screw to DD into the holes in the bottom panel. Insert to CC into the holes in the beam. Pass the hole in the bottom of the door through the DD screw. Adjust the CC to through the hole in the upper of the door. Assemble the right door using the same method. Casters with brakes. Screw them into the holes in the bottom of the frames. Casters without brakes. Screw them into the remaining 2 holes. The casters can be tightened by the HH wrench. Put the grilled body upon 2 frames. Assemble the grilled body and 2 frames together with 4 AA screws. Pre-assemble 4 AA screws to the both sides of the grilled body. Do not tighten. Light side table. Hang the left side table on the pre-assembled AA screws. Assemble the left side table and the grilled body together with 2 BB screws. Screw 2 AA into the holes from inside of the grill body to secure the left side table. Tighten all screws. Right burner table. Hang the right burner table on the pre-assembled AA screws. Assemble the right burner table and the grilled body together with 2 BB screws. Screw 2 AA into the holes from inside of the grill body to secure the right burner table. Tighten all screws. Place the side burner nozzles in the right position. Tighten the screws. Insert the igniter wire into the end of the igniter needle from below and tighten. Attach the storage bin hook to the inside of the left door with 2 BB screws. Attach the battery holder case to the inside of the right door with 2 BB screws. Place the AA batteries into the battery holder. Place battery holder inside the battery holder case. Place the storage bin by inserting the grooves on the back of the bin into the hook. Paper towel holder. Attach 1 paper towel holder to the right side of the grilled body with 2 BB screws. Match holder. Insert 1 BB screw into the end of the matching holder and fix it on the right side of this paper towel holder to the left side of the grilling body. Secure the left side of the paper towel holder with 1 BB screw. You can place the match holder flexibly. Grilled heating plate. Place the grill heating plate in the holder. Cooking grate. For ease of use, make sure that the rough side faces up. Warming rack. Insert the rack posts into the specified holes in both sides of the grilled body. Grilled tray. Place the grill tray. Pizza grill plate. Place the pizza grill plate into the grill tray. They can be moved flexibly as you need. Oil drip box. Place the oil drip box along the guide rails of the oil drip tray. Burner rack. Insert the rack posts into the specified holes in the right burner table. Close the cover. Rotate the screw anti-clockwise to make space for the gas tank. Place the gas tank into the nesting hole in the bottom panel. Rotate the screws clockwise to secure the gas tank. Connect and tighten the regulator valve of the hose to the threaded valve of the tank to ensure that there is no leakage. Unscrew the igniter cap. Put AA batteries into the igniter with plus facing outward and facing inward. Screw the igniter cap in. Press the switch and knobs light up blue. Press the igniter button in without releasing and turn the control knob anti-clockwise. The light turns to red and the fire should be lit immediately. Light other burners by turning the corresponding knobs. After lighting the fire, release the igniter button. Light the side burners using the same method. Turn knob anti-clockwise from vertical to turn down the fire. Place a roll of paper in the paper towel holder. The grilling accessories can be hung in the hooks of the side table. The grill accessories can also be hung in the paper towel holder. The grill has been completely installed.